Welcome everyone to today's video. My name's Amir and this is the Volvo XC90. Now this is one of the best family cars you can get, has all the technology you can want and more importantly all of the safety features that you could possibly want. However, it has now had the ultimate in safety protection due to us here at CBS Automotive and what we've installed, and that is of course the Thinkware U3000 Pro dash camera, 2-channel dash camera, as well as a parking battery on this particular vehicle. So to run you through this dash camera will take just a few minutes of your time, but just to go through all the features and why this camera is one of the best on the market. Now, the U3000 gives you full 4K recording at the front, Ultra HD on the rear, as well as with that parking battery, 16 hours of parking recording. Now, I'll start with the parking battery because in my head, it is one of the most important parts of a dash camera install and one of the reasons why we love using Thinkware's cameras in general. So the iVolt mini battery gives you 16 hours of parking recording, meaning as soon as you get out of this car, you lock it, you go to your home, you go to the shops, wherever you might be, you are still going to have the video protection for up to 16 hours. It's really, really useful. In my head, it's almost more useful than when you're in the car, because if you're in the car and you have an accident, you saw who did it. It's when you're not there, when no one's with the car, is when you want to know about any incident that your car might have come. Now, I'm sure you've seen it when you come back to your car and there might be a door ding or something has hit it, and that is why the battery is so important, but it is also equally as important to have a camera that has the high quality footage for you to be able to check the number plates or see what damaged your vehicle. Now, in this case, this is where the U3000 absolutely shines. Obviously, the footage during the daylight is impeccable. Ultra HD, obviously it's 4K at the front, giving you a really crisp image, allowing you to capture all those number plates really easily. But the U3000 shines when it goes into a low light condition. Low light, sunsets, at night, it is amazing, and it has so many new features to allow it to perform so well at night, but also just recognizing the number plates is really easy with this U3000. So with the capability of the front camera and the rear, as well as tying in with the parking battery, you need to be able to get those videos and any instances that you need the footage on really easily. Now, if you've ever had an accident, you know that it can be quite daunting, quite stressful if you ever have had an accident and you need to download the footage of a dash camera. I'm sure you've seen the videos or heard the stories of people on the side of the road trying to download their videos and it just not working. Now that is not on here, and that is why we use the Thinkware product. It is really easy to pair up. No annoying passwords, anything like that. You just pair up easily, seamlessly, and you can download your footage right away. It makes it easy for you so that in that stressful situation, it is nice and easy. Just download your footage and there you go, straight onto your camera roll, and you can send it to wherever you need. Now, one of the nicest things about all of the Thinkware range is how they actually categorize the different videos within the app. So starting off, you have all your recordings that happen while the vehicle is parked. So this is when the camera is using that external battery. So when you're not with the vehicle, you can easily access those footages and find them really quickly. Now, as well as that, you obviously have continuous mode, so that's when the vehicle's driving and your engine is on. But the best part in my head is the categories where it shows you what events or impacts have happened. A really useful feature. I use this in my car all the time whenever something happens to it. If I come back to my car, I start my car, it will actually alert me to if any impacts or events have happened, where then I can just quickly check the app and see what's gone on. It's a really neat feature, and it uses a G sensor built in within the camera to warn you of any impacts. So when you're driving and you had an accident, you can just press the button and find your footage seamlessly. Now, that is why one of the Thinkware is one of the best dash cameras on the market. As well as Blackview, we also offer that option, but they are two of the best dash camera solutions on the market, and that is why we will continue to sell them as an option for security. Now, as well as having a dash camera in your vehicle providing the ultimate visual protection, you also should consider some security upgrades like a ghost immobilizer or a tracker, as well as of course a steering lock as well, just to help protect your vehicle as much as you can. But I hope you've enjoyed today's video on this lovely Volvo XC90, and if you are thinking of getting a dash camera just like this one, please do get in contact with myself and I will help you find the right camera for your vehicle that suits all your needs. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.